Tennessee, tornado sirens cut through the air, warning residents of impending danger. Patrol officers, taken by surprise, abandon their cars to seek shelter. Within moments, a tornado hits the city, ripping the roof off Kirkland's home warehouse, a massive 200,000 square foot facility located south of Jackson Regional Airport. Inside the warehouse, 75 workers took shelter beneath steel structures, listening to the roar of twisting sheet metal and collapsing beams. When the storm subsided, daylight filtered through holes in the ceiling, revealing a landscape of destruction, forklifts buried under debris and dangling electrical equipment. Not far from Jackson, Clarksville also feels the wrath of the tornado. The Montgomery County Sheriff's Department reports significant damage in several areas of the city. These events are part of a wave of tornadoes that, in 8 days, hit the central United States, from Texas to the Great Lakes. About 40 million people were under a tornado warning, with forecasts of strong, long-lasting tornadoes, winds of 100 miles per hour, and hail the size of tennis balls. In southeastern Kentucky, rescue crews assessed the damage caused by a EEF 4 tornado that struck Pulaski and Laurel counties. With winds of 173 miles per hour, the tornado traveled over 59 miles, destroying everything in its path. Drone footage shows entire neighborhoods flattened, power lines down, and churches without roofs. Volunteers are working tirelessly to clear debris, while search dogs have searched for survivors in the rubble. In central Texas, hail the size of grapefruits hit suburban areas for the second time in 3 days. Winds of up to 80 miles per hour toppled trucks and destroyed billboards. In Kansas City, mall shoppers sought shelter as hail shattered skylights. Power companies struggled to restore power, with more than 80,000 customers left without power in Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, Arkansas, and Missouri. In western Kentucky and southern West Virginia, flood sirens sounded as saturated ground absorbed an additional 4 inches of rain. Rescue teams intervened along roads already damaged by previous floods. Overnight, a line of electrical storms passed through Indianapolis, Louisville, and Nashville, reaching the Mississippi Delta. EF0 and EF1 tornadoes caused further damage, keeping sirens on late into the night. In Louisville, 100-mile-per-hour wind gusts damaged the airport, while in Memphis, officials opened the FedEx Forum as a shelter. Despite the devastation, stories of hope emerged. In Jackson, warehouse workers attributed their safety to an evacuation simulation conducted shortly before the impact. In London, Kentucky, a mother saved her 5 children by taking refuge in her bathtub seconds before the roof of their home was torn off. These events highlight the destructive power of nature and the importance of preparation. In an era of climate change, awareness and preparedness can mean the difference between life and death. Thank you so much for joining us on World Catastrophes. If you found this video interesting, please leave a like to support us. Subscribe to the channel to receive new content and share it with someone who might appreciate it. See you in the next video. And now let's let the pictures do the talking.